Taking a little time this morning. You can see that I took the diff cover off. I put some blue painter's tape on it. Took some acetone. I had pressure washed this axle, so it was really quite clean. But I took some time and took some acetone, hit it with the wire brush in some of the areas where there was some light surface rust. You can see it's in pretty good shape right now. And I've had good luck with this Herculiner product before, so I'm going to go with black Herculiner for this front axle. Just a light coat. All that's on it is just a very, very light coat of Herculiner. First coat only. Much more to do. Get inside the truss really well. It's just a good start. Two coats. I want to let this dry, and when it's good and dry, I'll flip it over and do the underneath. All right, another coat of paint. Brought in the jack stands just to set the axle up. Almost used the full can of this Herculiner.
Just one more bridge to cross.